Look around. Do you see any police here? Do you see any army? Do you see any civil defense or DSS? No security is here. Not even local vigilante. No vigilante group, but see people farmland. This place on a farmland where they see so now. Tell me now, if Fulani herdsmen or bandits attack you in this kind of place, how you go take survive?
Hello my fellow Biafrans, I'm back again. But before I say anything concerning this particular video, I want to use this medium to thank every and each one of us that has been sharing my video, supporting me. I want to say that God will continue to bless you people. But there's one thing that in this video, this boy said concerning Biafra Liberation Army and ESN and what is about to happen to Biafra land now. That I want every and each one of us, all the genuine Biafrans, to just calm down and listen to him, because this boy is making a lot of sense and I don't want any of us to miss this particular video. So as the Biafra that you are, do not forget to share so that other Biafrans can also benefit from this particular video. There's a particular thing that he said in this video that I don't want any of us to miss. So share this video so that this video will go viral to reach to so many Biafrans, so that they will know how they are going to defend themselves. This boy is making a lot of sense. So share this video and remain blessed.
Look around. Do you see any police here? Do you see any army? Do you see any civil defense or DSS? No security is here. Not even local vigilante. No vigilante group, but see people farmland. This place on a farmland where they see so now. Tell me now, if Fulani herdsmen or bandits attack you in this kind of place, how you go take survive? How you protect yourself? People that have AK-47 and AK-49, how you go take escape? Now before if you shout like 5 times, men don't come save you. But if you shout like 20 times now, nobody will come around. Everybody they fear. Everybody they fear in this country, including the security. Them too they fear, because they are human beings and they have families too. They fear. Imagine say sometimes if you make a call police say armed robbers they rob in so place, so before police go come, everything where they happen that place don't happen. Now when those people are themselves, in some cases, if you call police, they go tell you they no give fuel for their car, they no give fuel for their vehicle. You never hear such a thing. Police go tell you they no give fuel for their vehicle. Sometimes so they no give fuel for their vehicle. So before they reach that place, before they go buy fuel, reach that place, they don't do what they go do. If you call them at times safe, they go they busy, they no go pick. So before you shout safe, make them from station come. Everything where happen don't happen. But that time where ESN they bush, before you echo like 2 times, men don't mount come rescue you. But that's no day again. So you go they guided. If they go out, they go farm or they go do your business in a lonely place like this. Whether not only you, I be na day 5 or 10, may all of them they guided, they protected. I beg. That's what they do for Benue State. They organize mass burial. Mass burial. So don't be saying that day 10 or day 20 go save you. They guided personally, physically and spiritually. Men no dey bush again. Look around now. No men. Men no dey bush again. Look around. Do you see any ESN here? Do you see any Biafra army here? Nobody. No Biafra army, no ESN. ESN no dey bush again. Who go come for you now? Now police go come. Now army go come. Where the army dey? Where is the police? Where is the army? Now that ESN is no longer in the bush, who will come for you? Who will save you when they come? When they strike, who will save you? You can say the same. Men no dey again. All of them don't come out. All the ESN, all the Biafra soldiers, where they guide you where they guide your farmland, where they protect you against attackers, against this Fulani and the bandits. They are not there. They are no longer there again. As you can see very well, look very well. Look at no police, no army, no security, nobody again in all of this place. No army is there, no security is there, no security. So you go know what you go do. They don't enter, they don't reach Abia State, and they ouchie in those states, they everywhere. So now you know what you go do. Men no dey again, no men no dey again. Men they protect themselves and their own family now, they no dey again.
Oh yeah, watch your video. If I get a video, KC Muli Limpopo. What video this interview? I will be right back. Then I will play you another video of his colleague. Where are you from?
Anambra.
Anambra State. You are from Biafra.
I'm from Anambra State. Anambra, because I feel like those
Biafra no
Anambra,
be state.
Imo are Biafra people.
We are. I don't know how I want to. You wish you are from Anambra. Where are you from? Oh, boy, all of us are the same. All of us are Igbo.
When looking him, KC Koiri, oh yeah, wash ya nke flavor. If una, there is a difference between capital B, not be his or an bim 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 bim. Get nke flavor, computer.
Anambra.
Anambra State, you are from Biafra.
I'm from Anambra.
Oh, don't I know when the Naguegu, when the Naguegu. Yes. Oh, when the Naguegu, na Nigeria na Igbo, when the Naguegu. And then Naguegu, bunde our ancestors near inspiration. Ha jaguegu, ha meshianya egwere wim egwere ehubute. Nda our ancestors juru aju, buzo we ju our ancestors. Bunde na akụ egwu 300 tracks in 1 month. Still when kara aga. Example, KC. KC juru no ga aju. Nye ke mbi song egwu. So do man aka nga agụ egwu. I have competition today, aka nga agụ egwu. So dogodo anya dogodo ga anya in a month. Ego pụtara hebrula ọ dịka ọrụ ha ego nke ọzọ ga onwe egwu copy abara copy you're number 1 e copy egwu ị na-akọpịgide mmadụ kọpịa destiny mmadụ kọpịa ume ụlọ eku ị na-emere ebere na copy ịbekara akụkọ nke ego ọpọ na ịbekara kpọrọkwa bido blooders kwa bịakwa sụọ ego megide bute G-Wagon bute Rolls-Royce bute Pontiac bute Ferrari bute bullion van bute dollar mechie niile still egwu aheru 300 view na Instagram oruhu onwe okwe ha ọgbago chachachacha ancestors appear because he hate the Igbo to open mouth kwuo abụ Biafra because of your property in Lagos. Don't worry, trouser ga-eru ebe oruru ibe ihe anyị na eze na the kind of crusade serve wonder come back in shame. But he deny ya Igbo na public. Igbo ye deny kwaga na public. He deny Igbo. That's actually cut if Mama Joga say, where are you from? He say Anambra. Are you a Biafra? Say no, I'm not a Biafra. I'm Anambra. Anambra give Anambra. That is why when we grown across or across Abi may born like this as no matter over hate but no matter what I say. But me born they won't go drop on last. Bear money over. Shorty over. VIP sell over. If you care goosey, na name make you ka joke. It will not top 10 na Spotify. Or take 1 naira. Mazi na you even happen na Bamba say if you use my music you go pay. If you use don't use my music, people are use you. But I don't want to put a billion, trillion dollar. What can use you? Still, they use where only here 30 comments and 44 views. Deny Igbo, you deny you soon.
There are these 3 men in the southeast. I don't even understand them. Ruthless and single-minded ambition is all what I see from them. Honestly, and this time around, we would name them, we would call their name, we would cancel them, because so far I'm concerned, person will selling brother to the strangers, even those strangers no go ever trust them, because the way I'm seeing it, all this way they do, notice me, is going to be a wasted effort for them. They are 3 in number, and I go call their names. This men, I've not seen any achievement or anything, any impactation they've created in the Southeast. Or if you have seen it, please let us know. Maybe not only me they see like that. But based on my survey, I've not seen any iota of goodness in them. Number 1 is Ojus Okalu. Yes, people of Abia. I bet you're gonna tell me, maybe not be they see like that. What was Ojus Okalu impactation in Abia State? What did you achieve give una for Abia State? Because I can remember last time I visited Abia, even at Aloshuku Road. You go there inside motor, you go be like, maybe you come down, usually the worker. Dust everywhere. Everywhere was messed up. No road, no electricity, nothing. No security. Until this Alex Oti now come sure say that Abia State can literally look like Yankee. Yes. Yes. What I see from Ojus Okalu every day, if Tinubu, others I see it as Let me just call him a sycophant. If Tinubu enter plane, he go congratulate him. If Tinubu cancel flight, he go congratulate him. If Tinubu come back from abroad, he go congratulate him. If Tinubu go toilet, peace. If Tinubu come eat food, he go tell us, say he just finish food, he go congratulate him. So very obvious, very curious. At least, they even they shame to the limit. Small time, he go cry put. He they also cry. People of Abia State, I beg, waiting be that good thing where we say, all Jews or Kalu don't ever do for now. Then second person, the one where they oversee, that one they ever they come, there's in day. I don't even know where they reach in village. Reno or Mockery. His own to focus on Opi do this one, Opi do the one, Opi do the Opi do. Reno Mockery presently now, they eat their village food again. Now only Yoruba food in they eat, so that Tinubu gonna notice that. It is say Tinubu send all those ones. It is say Tinubu na mumu. Check and now. Now only Yoruba cloth in the wear. You can never see Reno Mockery show any food that come from Delta. Abia the lie. All those ones now just which grammar I go use to even qualify it. You are just being a sycophant. And nobody will trust you for that. Yes. The same person will tell us then say Tinubu the smell, Tinubu the bath, Tinubu na this one, Tinubu na the other one, Tinubu na this one, Tinubu is the other one. Condemning Tinubu all angles. Say Tinubu don't weak, Tinubu no strong again. Now you today carry Tinubu for head the praise, and just because you are seeking for 2027 political appointment, Reno Mockery, you are shame, they shame me. Shame you tell us say you be pastor. Have you know the pastor again? Reno Mockery stand up in said in Nigeria there is nothing like genocide, there is nothing like insurgency, that we are living in peace. And he can't go inside, go stay. Why can't you come Nigeria and stay with us? Person will selling brother to the strangers. Even the strangers will not trust you. Reno Mockery, you see that thing you're looking for in 2027, forget it. Get them. Go and write it somewhere. What is today's date? We date for November. I think today is November 27 or 28. I don't know again. But you know waiting today be 2025. Go get them. Then another person is Joey Bokwe. That one goes me, I know say people of Anambra no kukuma send down. But I want to ask, people of Joey Bokwe village, I beg, make I ask you now. What is that particular achievement where Joey Bokwe don't give una? Maybe we know this year, maybe no you na focus on. In village people, I beg Joey Bokwe village people. Waiting be that particular thing where we say Joey Bokwe don't do give una. I didn't see any human in them. Ojus Okalo, Reno Mockery, and Joey Bokwe.